the depths of Mordor.
You guys jib this?
Yeah, this was the drop in. It used to be like this high though. And then you went down, boom. You can see how much fucking snow we packed down there to make her fucking good. And then that was the jump, that was the landing ramp over there. And you see the rail off to the left?
There goes Will Murray. Just chilling, killing. Playing with his ball.
I see why it was so fucky, because the ground's so uneven. Now it makes sense to me, because we had a hard time doing it. See the shit we had to cut? We had to cut that.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of trees we had to cut. That one there.
Here, hold us.
Oh, this was a drop off too?
This was a sturdy at all.
Yo, we had snow off there and we drop off there.
What?
We had snow.
Yeah, that's still on, eh?
Oh.
How sturdy is this?
Well, we used to drop off it, so
really?
Should be good.
Hard to balance in fucking rubber boots. Almost fell right there, as you can tell. Thank you, fucking Trump.
Man!
Good thing you're fun for next year. Sorry, dude.
That's fine. That was pretty shitty. That was Jesse's idea.